Hello, YouTube creators and AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create 3D AI wings name images. So, let's spread our creative wings and get started. The first step is to open any browser. Type Bing AI into the search box. Click on the Image Create for Microsoft Designer button. Each day, you will receive 15 credits. I have already used some credits. I prepared my prompt earlier. It is possible to change the prompt. As an alternative to Shalwa Kameez, you can write something else. Similarly, you can write your name in place of Fiza. When you have modified the prompt according to your wishes, copy it. In the search bar, paste the text. In the description, I will provide these prompts. Click on the Create button now. It will take some time for the process to complete. It has generated 4 pictures for us after a while. As you can see, the result is impressive. I'd like to try another prompt. I'll copy the prompt. Please paste it here. Click on the Create button now. After a while, it generates 4 pictures for us. Now you can download it. If you want to apply your face on the pictures, you can see the video in the I button and in end screen. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and share your creations in the comments below.